Hey guys, let's make this nostalgic, Victorian era inspired love token card for Valentine's Day. But before we begin, please like this video if you like it and subscribe to my channel. You'll need a piece of white cardstock, a pair of scissors, a pen or pencil, and an optional white gel pen, colored pencil or marker. Also, you'll need 4 pieces of thinner colored paper. First, we'll draw and cut out the hand. And then the pieces of the gloves, first the cuff and then the rest. The hand came out too big for the cardstock, so I exchanged the card for a bigger one. And now let's glue it all together. Finally, we'll draw the 2 sprigs in the heart. It's all done. For more Valentine's Day cards, check out my shop, it's Cotton Heart Baby on Etsy, and don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have an idea for a future tutorial, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, bye guys!